We embarked on this crazy experiment a couple of years ago, which was to see if our law firm could build its own CRM tool. In this video, I'm going to do three things, which is first, kind of go through the very basics of what is the architecture behind CRM for lay people like me. I have no technical background, and I promise if I can learn it, this is something that's very doable for you too. Second, I'm going to talk about creative ways that we could actually build a better bond with our clients and improve client retention by using our CRM tool in creative ways. And this is something that will apply to almost any business. And then third, I'm going to talk about some of the specifics of our platform and just kind of give you a little bit of a demo. So first, what is CRM? Okay, behind every CRM tool, really what you have is a bunch of spreadsheets. So if you think of the most simple CRM tool, like the one for our law firm, or the most complex one, like let's say the reservation system for United Airlines, you log in, you give your Mileage Plus number, it pulls up your trip history. All of that is just a bunch of spreadsheets that are laying on a server somewhere. How do you take the data that's in those spreadsheets and then connect it to your client in a way that makes them appreciate your product? Well, one thing I would highly suggest if your firm doesn't do this is that you build a client-facing portal into your CRM database. And obviously, they can't see everything that you see on your side, but you can give them information that is relevant to them. We leave our clients a history of every communication they've had with us so that they can see that. That's a more obvious one. Now, another one would be this 256-bit encrypted vault, which it's similar to the way that Dropbox functions. But think about it from the client perspective. So a lot of firms, let's say a CPA firm, might share tax returns with its form of Dropbox for the client. We may share estate plans, but we ask our clients to go a step further. So our clients look at this as a secure place where they can store documents. Beyond just legal documents, they upload photos of their passports. For example, if you're in Europe and you lose your backpack and you don't have your passport, as long as you've got a phone and you've got access to our app, our clients are able to walk into the U.S. Embassy and take care of their problem because they got a copy of their documents or their power of attorney for healthcare. If they roll into a hospital, they don't need paper copies of those documents. They have that right there. So immediately right there, that creates something sticky with our client. And it gives them a reason to continue their subscription with our subscription-based law firm. And we're constantly updating their documents when there are updates in the law. Our amendments go right into there, and it just keeps this connection where we're communicating with the client. One other thing is using LMS or learning management system tools through a CRM. So this may be something that we've never thought of using your CRM before, but I'd really encourage you to. In our case, we send out videos to our clients about topics that are applicable to a number of our clients. So the one that I'm showing you right now has to do with credit card theft and sort of what happens when people notice charges. Sorry, I'll turn that off there. Common question that we get, but by providing the same information from a spreadsheet across the firm, we know that people are getting consistent advice from their professionals. So in conclusion, I hope this video helped show how a CRM works. It's just spreadsheets, ways that you can use it more effectively, namely getting your client access to it, and then just some of the things that have been most effective for us, namely education, messaging, and a secure vault.